Hey, and thanks for stopping by today's video. And we have put together a good one for you. These were some clips that I saved on my GoPro because I filmed parts here and there, and the rest of the day just kind of went or I didn't have enough footage to make it a totally daily video. So you're gonna see two parts. First, we get to do this a couple times a week. We love taking our packages into the post office, and on this particular video, we recorded because we just love our local post office. The employees are legendary. Carlos, if you're watching, huge shout out to our local post office. They do such a phenomenal job. And then I want you to just stick around and enjoy why we don't go to the Goodwill bins that often, because you are going to get the experience that we get. You're going to see in this video how it runs in our area. It's nothing like Harry Tornado, Josh, and Haley. I love their environment of their Goodwill bins. No, they don't have the king and queen of the Goodwill bins at their bins location. I think they run the whole system. So, hey, sit back and just enjoy this and just say hello to the king and queen of the Goodwill bins. You got it. Okay, and we got what? 23 items.
You want to take this back?
Yeah, I'll take that one. That's heavy.
That's heavy.
And then without showing the name, we got one more coffee order. Troy, Mountain Man Treasure, coming out to you, buddy.
Thanks for the support.
Thank you for the purchase. And it's been, they've been rolling pretty good. But yeah, we're gonna take these into our favorite post office. You got it?
Okay. Thanks, babe.
It's yellow and he has a
they're getting some of their kids over there.
Oh, thanks so much.
You can
just set them right over there on the jigger bottle.
Will do.
You helper. You're the biggest helper.
Yeah.
Whoa.
What's up, Carlos? Well, I'm just gonna introduce everyone on my channel to the best post office in the world. You guys crush it every single time. Always. You always take great care of us, and you do a great job. And we love shouting out our great U.S. postal workers. And tell y'all, I don't care who else is watching this in any other state. VA right here in Prince George has the best one.
There we go.
All right, we appreciate that. Take care.
Welcome to our bins. Yeah, there's a few. Are they doing the shoe line again? One pair's missing laces, but they're ACGs.
Oh, laces are easy to get.
A little bit worn on the bottom.
Yeah.
But yeah. have to just look at the size. There's some super soakers. Old power wheel.
Big wheel.
Big wheel. I don't know, because it's the consistency of a bouncy ball.
Yeah.
Ice cream ball. If it had the lid, you can throw it. It's an ice cream ball.
What's an ice cream ball?
To make homemade ice cream. When it's supposed to turn and shake. You could...
Interesting.
You've never seen these?
No.
I've seen the plastic ones that just spin. Yeah, you put your ingredients in, you would close this up.
Like throw it around?
Throw it around.
Can't touch yet. Can't touch.
Same deal, Tim. I covered it up, Mario said 2 o'clock, I gotta get it out there.
like to go crazy.
The Ben's not the place for me.
You know, even at the end of the video, I just had to laugh at what my wife said. It's just not our environment, not our favorite place to source, but it is fun to go there sometimes just to see the environment because, hey, it's another great way you can source if it's great in your city or wherever you're from. But for us, we'll stick to the estate sales, yard sales, and even storage units. You don't have to fight with a lot of people or have people jump in front of you and dig through bins. But hey, we just wanted to put these clips, make sure they didn't go to waste. Really, we just thank you so much for tuning in and watching. And we're always going to be putting out great reseller content for you to enjoy, learn, and just we want to see you even get better with whatever you are pursuing. So we keep this channel positive and fun, and we just want to keep connecting with you each and every week. We're always dropping videos on the channel, so be sure to come back, subscribe if you aren't subscribed already, give this video a like, and please, I love hearing the stories. And you know, if you get a channel, tell me in the comments, go check it out, because I want to see what your Goodwill bins are like. So you got to see a little bit of ours. And once again, shout out to our legendary post office workers. Hey, go by your post office, tell them thank you for what they're doing. Even after the crazy seasons, you know, they're always trying their best and doing such a great job. And so we just wanted to shout ours out as well. So hey, we can't wait to see you again next time. So go out there and make the world a better place with a sale and a smile, and we'll see you again super soon. Thank you once again so much for tuning in today.